Good morning. I have a job card here. Cadia, Rimali. So, SHA 26, SL 04390. My concern is customer states, running light and IPC. Customer state all mixed with the coolant in GM service contact second service. So we ordered the parts. We have it here, injector. So 1, 2, 3, 7, 3, 6, 4, and then the coolant hose. We got here. We ordered it. So we have a raw video. And then working it. Just remove all the pieces. And take the card. So now just let me wait. Yes. Okay. We have a special tools here. Injector removal. It is pop-up. So right, this is it. Will remove it. If you pry it with the lever, it will damage your injector. So we use it a special tool for this. This is my pick. I use proper tools. So thank you.